Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can update your WordPress plugins and theme without breaking your website or without causing any issue on your website. So here you can see I have 6 updates available. So first of all, I will have to take a backup of my WordPress website. For that I have created a video on YouTube how to backup WordPress website manually. You can just search it on my YouTube channel, or you can search on YouTube like backup WordPress KM Webverse. By this method you will be able to take a backup and you will be able to store that backup on your server, and you will also be able to download the backup on your laptop, so you can use that anytime if you face any issue. So make sure to take your backup. So once you have done your backup, then you can go to plugins and you can install a new plugin first of all. And here you can install a plugin that is called rollback, and you can install this rollback plugin. So this plugin will actually help you downgrade your plugin if any error occur. So you can just activate this plugin and then you can go to updates and you can note all of the versions for your plugins, just in case you want to roll it back, so you will know to which version you want to roll it back. So here you can see the versions, so you can note the versions of the plugin, or you can just update it, but in that case you may need to restore the backup, which should be your last priority, because in start you should try to update your website in the best way possible so you don't have to restore the backup. So you can go to updates and you can update the plugins, and if any issue occur then you can roll it back to the previous version, so your website will start running again smoothly. And if any big issue arises and you are not able to roll it back, then you can always restore your backup. So here you can update the plugin one by one, or you can just select all and you can click on update plugins. So here you can see that all the plugins are updated, and now we can click on updates again, so we can update the theme as well. So we have currently 4 themes installed. The optimized way is to just keep 1 or 2 themes and delete the unnecessary themes, so we can delete the unnecessary theme as well if we want. For now I just want to update this theme because I will delete the other 3 themes. Deleting theme is good if you want to optimize your website for speed as well. So if you want to optimize the website speed, you can go to my channel and you can search for speed over here, and here you can see that I have some videos related to that as well, so you can check out them and optimize your website. And by any reason if you want to downgrade the plugin now, then you can go to the plugin installed plugins, and here you will see this rollback button. So if you just want to roll back Elementor, then you can click on rollback, and here you can scroll down and here you can see the versions for the plugin, and you can downgrade to any version that you want. If you face any issue, you can go to my website kashifmehmood.com/contact, and here is the contact form. You can just drop me a message and I will get back to you with the solution. I also provide WordPress services, maintenance services and live support, so you can let me know if you need any help.